Hey guys, what's up? So today is 15th of July and the stock which we are going to analyze is Cummins India. So guys, before getting into the analysis, I would just like to show you the chart of HDFC AMC, of which we had done the analysis on 11th of July. That's just 4 days ago, and you can see how beautifully it is performing. And this was the analysis done, like it has made a cup and handle pattern, and we had entered around 29.30, 29.40, so it is already 5% up. If you have not watched the detailed analysis of this video, I'll give the link in the I button. Please click and watch this so that you can learn how we analyzed and how the stock is performing as we thought. So coming back to Cummins India, uh, this is the daily time frame of Cummins India, and as we can see that the stock is in a good uptrend, and here it has retraced a bit. So to check the retracement level, whether it is a healthy retracement or no, we use the FIBO tool. So this was the last swing, and from the last swing, if we join the highest point, we can see that the stock had taken support exactly at the zero point 0.5 levels, and in each and every of my videos I've already told you that zero point 0.5 levels is considered to be a healthy retracement point. So this is the first thing, and now Cummins India is forming is if we draw a trend line like this and another trend line like this and a pole like this, Cummins India has formed a bullish flag pattern and also given a breakout of the same. So this is the second point. Also you can see the volume of the breakout candle, it is more than average, so that's a good thing. And now coming to the third pattern, what we see is, if we zoom in a bit and if I draw a resistance point here, this was the resistance zone which Cummins India was facing, and it has given a breakout of the same. So here the chart pattern which we can see is inverted head and shoulder pattern, and let me show you. This is a left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So guys, here we can see that Cummins India has formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern and also given the breakout of the same, and also the breakout candles volumes are quite good, and here it is standing at the neckline of inverted head and shoulder pattern. Now one doubt you might be having, that the stock had given a breakout over here, it had already retraced over here, then why did not we get in the stock here? So let me tell you guys, here it had given a breakout, it was a good breakout, we could have entered here as well, but now why am I choosing this stock, I'll just tell you. So if I draw an other resistance point, so here if I draw a new resistance point, what we can see here is, again here Cummins India is in the formation of the same inverted head and shoulder pattern. So here is the left shoulder, here is the head, and here is it is in the formation of the right shoulder, guys. So if we enter now in this stock, we are going to take early entry, but we have alternative confirmations that it has given a breakout of the bullish flag pattern, also an inverted head and shoulder which it has already formed and given a breakout of. So those are the confirmations, and definitely we can enter in this stock here as well. And also sharing with you the importance of FIBO tool. We have already used the FIBO tool in the large swing, and we have saw that it has taken support at the 0.5 levels. But now again in this short swing, if we use the FIBO level from the lowest point to the highest point, we can see here that the stock had taken support at the 0.382 levels again. So this is the importance of Fibonacci tool, guys. Here you can understand whether it is a retracement or whether it is a trend reversal. So this is also another confirmation which we are getting. If we talk about the RR ratio, the RR ratio is going to be amazing here. I'll tell you why. because this was a strong resistance zone. So there's a high possibility that the stock is not going to break this zone and show us an up move here. So if we enter around the current market price, and if we keep a minimal stop loss of this below the red candle which it had formed here, and if we see our first target is obviously going to be high of this swing. So we have already getting an RR ratio of 1 is to 1.62. That's not a good RR ratio, guys. That's an average RR ratio. But why am I suggesting you this stock? Because there's a high probability that when Cummins India breaks this zone and break this inverted head and shoulder pattern, it is going to give us a huge move. So here we can target a ratio of 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 quite easily. So this was my analysis, guys. This was my analysis on Cummins India. I hope you have liked it, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Also comment down below your thoughts and keep me motivated, guys. Thank you so much.